everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some basic wall art with origami paper. I have two different styles. The first style is this one, and then the second one I don't want to mix the two up. Here we go. Looks like this. So what I am going, I hope you saw that, looks just like this. So what I am going to do is I have a blank sheet of white paper here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a few pieces out, and I'm going to tape them to here. If you're going to use this, want to make it really crisp, you would use glue. But unfortunately, I don't have any glue right now. I gotta actually go buy some. So here's how this works. So what you do is I'm going to use a red. I'm going to use green. And there should be a blue in here somewhere. Here we go. That's interesting. Okay. I don't want to use anything that has the fancy stuff on it right now. So here we go. So red, green, and blue. Since I'm a computer guy, we'll use this. So what you want to do is you want to find a layout that works best. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go for a diagonal style feel here. So you do this, and you do this. But if you really wanted to get fancy, you would kind of move it down a little more, just like that. So then what you do is you tape it down. But before we do that, I bought these two sets at a store called Daiso, and they sell Japanese products and stuff like that. So I even got some decorative tape, which I'll show in another video on a project on that one. So anyway, getting back to what we were doing here. So now that I have this, you start taping it down. Now in reality, you want to use glue, like I stated earlier. So you just put that on like that. You center it back up just like that. There you go. So now there we go. And this is just basic wall art. Something, and if you're a computer person like myself, this would be an easy way there we go. We'll lay this one out. There we go. Put that one just like that. And there we go. And there you have it. Some basic wall art. Let me adjust this one a little bit. There we go. But if you want to take it to next step here, put purple right there. And you put yellow right here. And you get a totally different piece of art. So there you have it. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications.